What up guys, in this video I will show you how can you use ProtonMail. So basically ProtonMail it's an easy platform mail where you can receiving messages or create mails. As you can see here, the interface is very easy, and let's say that if I want to create a new message, I will click here on this tab. I will add my person here, my subject and my mail. After that I will click on send and that's it. If we'll go to this tab here on this four circle tab, we have more Proton products. Let's say that if I want to go to Proton Drive, I will click on it and I will go. They have like 5 products: Proton Calendar, Proton Drive, Proton VPN, Proton Pass and ProtonMail. Here let's say that I will want to create a label. I will click here on this plus button. I will name this label test2, let's say, and I will choose a color to not forget it about it and save. Sorry, test2 it's already on it, test3 let's say. And as you can see, here is my label. If I want to delete it, I will click here on these 3 dots and delete label. If I want to create a folder, it's same. I will go here on this plus button. I will name this folder test3. Sorry, save it. If you want to enable notification, you will just need to click here, and after that click on save. And as you can see right now, I was create this this folder. Here we have all the basic tabs: inbox, draft, send, spam, trash, all mail and so on. Here you can see how much megabytes you are using from your store. So basically right now I'm using like 10 megabytes from 500, as you can see here. And that's it guys. I hope that this video will help you, and we will see in the next videos.